Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money quickly but didn't have the cash on hand? Or maybe you're looking for a way to consolidate your debt. If so, a credit card from Commonwealth Bank could be a great option for you. In this video, we'll show you how to get a credit card from Commonwealth Bank and how to use it effectively. We'll also discuss some of the benefits and drawbacks of having a credit card. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of responsible credit card use. Credit cards can be a great financial tool, but they can also get you into trouble if you're not careful. It's important to only use your credit card for things you can afford to pay off each month. If you carry a balance on your credit card, you'll end up paying interest on your debt, which can add up quickly. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get started with how to get a credit card from Commonwealth Bank. Step 1. Choose the right credit card. Commonwealth Bank offers a variety of credit cards to choose from. Some of the most popular options include Commonwealth Bank Everyday Rewards Card. This card offers rewards points on everyday purchases, such as groceries and gas. Commonwealth Bank Velocity Rewards Card. This card earns velocity points, which can be redeemed for flights and other travel experiences. Commonwealth Bank Platinum MasterCard. This card offers a number of benefits, including travel insurance and access to airport lounges. Once you've decided on the right credit card for you, you can apply online or in person at a Commonwealth Bank branch. Step 2. Apply for your credit card. When you apply for your credit card, you'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and income. You may also need to provide proof of your identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Once your application has been processed, you'll receive a decision from Commonwealth Bank. If your application is approved, you'll receive your credit card in the mail within a few weeks. Step 3. Activate your credit card. Once you receive your credit card, you'll need to activate it. You can do this by calling the number on the back of your card or by visiting the Commonwealth Bank website. Step 4. Start using your credit card. Once your credit card is activated, you can start using it to make purchases. Be sure to keep track of your spending so that you don't overspend. Benefits of having a credit card. There are a number of benefits to having a credit card, including convenience. Credit cards are a convenient way to make purchases. You can use them online, in stores, and over the phone. Rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points or cash back on your purchases. Protection. Credit cards offer a number of protections, such as purchase protection and fraud protection. Building your credit score. Using your credit card responsibly can help you build your credit score, which can make it easier to get approved for loans and other financial products in the future. Drawbacks of having a credit card. There are also some drawbacks to having a credit card, including interest charges. If you carry a balance on your credit card, you'll be charged interest on your debt. Fees. Credit cards can charge a number of fees, such as annual fees and late fees. Debt. Credit cards can make it easy to overspend and get into debt. Tips for responsible credit card use. Here are a few tips for using your credit card responsibly. Only use your credit card for things you can afford to pay off each month. Pay your bills on time to avoid late fees. Keep track of your spending so that you don't overspend. Set a budget for your credit card spending. Consider using a rewards card if you're a frequent shopper. Be careful about using your credit card for cash advances. A credit card from Commonwealth Bank can be a great way to manage your finances and save money. However, it's important to use your credit card responsibly to avoid getting into debt. By following the tips in this video, you can make the most of your credit card and enjoy all of the benefits that it has to offer. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching and until next time.